Hello everyone and welcome to this video about non-woven scented fabrics. Non-woven scented fabrics are the type of fabric that is made of fibers that are bonded together without weaving or knitting and then infused with the scent. This makes them very versatile and innovative fabric as they can made in a variety of thickness, weight and scents. Now let's talk about how are non-woven scented fabrics made. Non-woven scented fabrics are made by the process called melt blown. In this process, molten plastic is forced through a die with a tiny holes. The plastic fibers that emerge from the dye are then cooled and collected to form a fabric. The fabric is then infused with the scent using a variety of different methods such as spraying, dipping and printing. Now let's talk about benefits of non-woven scented fabric. Non-woven scented fabric have a number of benefits, including they are soft and comfortable to wear, they are durable and tear resistant, they are hypoallergenic and non-irritating, they are biodegradable and they can infuse with a wide variety of scents. Now let's talk about what are some of the applications of non-woven scented fabric. Non-woven scented fabric are used in a wide variety of applications, including air fresheners. Non-woven scented fabrics are used to make air fresheners because they can release a scent slowly and evenly over time. Laundry products. Non-woven scented fabrics are used to make laundry products such as dryer sheets, fabric softener because they can give clothes a fresh scent. Personal care products. Non-woven scented fabrics are used to make personal care products such as wipes and sanitary napkins because they can give them a fresh scent and make them more comfortable to use. Other applications. Non-woven scented fabrics are also used in a variety of other applications such as packaging materials, promotional items and toys. Now let's conclude this video. Non-woven scented fabrics are a versatile and innovative fabric with a wide range of applications. They are soft, durable, hypoallergenic and biodegradable, and they can be infused with a variety of applications with a variety of scents. This makes them ideal for use in air fresheners, laundry products, personal care products and a variety of other applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos about non-woven fabrics.